So for this episode, we get to follow up on the last one, where after that big attack that weakened the shields, the enemies seem to have backed off, maybe to recharge, because that one attack drained them. So we get everybody talking and just trying to figure out what to do. And a really interesting flashback. We had a couple of these, two of them vampire talking to each other, and she sort of got this friend who is now taken over by the evil. And they're just talking about swimming and things. She doesn't drink blood because she just doesn't feel close enough to someone to do that. But not doing it is making her weaker. It means that she can't fight at her full power. So that when they attack the second time, she tries fighting hand to hand and just keeps getting beat and is forced to do it and drink blood from one of her compatriots, which pisses off her friend that's been turned to the darkness. And they have a fight, and she's able to beat her now that she's powered up. And it's an interesting sort of dynamic where she doesn't want to drink the blood, because it's often sort of pointed out that it's very sexual kind of thing. As long as you don't kill, then it gets a little weird. But generally that the drinking of blood is portrayed in such a way as sort of sex. And so she doesn't want to do it. But it does bring up the question of how far would you go to save someone? If the only way to save someone is to do something like that, something that you're uncomfortable doing, would you? Is there a limit? And if there's a limit, where is it? So yeah, I like this episode. We're going to be probably moving into the next one where they have to rescue one of the other people. Each episode, or each couple of episodes, they seem to rescue someone. So hopefully we'll get something there. I'm hoping maybe we'll find out who's all behind this and what their goal is. Also, the girl in the crystal, can we get her back? She's so cool. Or is it maybe that somehow she's helping them all along and she's protecting them? Like when they were to all turn to darkness, it wasn't that they were weak. It was that she was able to protect them. So I'm curious where this goes.